How to make Squarespace website live. How to publish your Squarespace website is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are logged into your Squarespace account, it will look like this. So it will show you your dashboard. What you then want to do in order to make your Squarespace website go live is click the three dots in the top right here. It says permission, spelling, settings, duplicate, and delete. So what you want to do in order to publish your website is click settings, which will then get you to this page. And on the left you see settings and then site availability. For me it says private because I haven't put or published this website. So click site availability. Now in order to publicly publish your website, you need to upgrade your plan. This one is a free account just so I can make these Squarespace videos. But if you upgrade your plan and then publish, you can click on publish, anyone can see the site, and you have made your Squarespace website live. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please do like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.